You are a blue belt. You are a purple belt.
I rolled with 18 people wearing white belts for 1 minute each. They were wearing white belts, however, their actual rank ranged from white belts all the way to black belts. After each 1 minute round, I had to guess which belts I thought that they actually are, which proved to be a very difficult task. Karma Jiu-Jitsu in Ajax, Ontario was kind enough to host this event. They're a great group of people and I highly recommend their gym. As a thank you to the contestants for participating, all were entered into a draw to win free entry to a training retreat that I'm hosting in Trinidad and Tobago. 7 days of training and relaxing in paradise. All right, let's get started. Make sure that you follow along and make your own guesses as we go. See if you're a better guesser than I am. Write down in the comments what belt rank that you think each person is. Just pause the video every time you hear the bell go off, but no cheating.
I don't think it's a white belt. You are a purple belt.
Well, I guessed that one horribly wrong, but at least I guessed too high. My worst fear going into this is guessing too low. I didn't know it at the time, but 4 out of the 18 contestants are black belts.
Come on, let's work. Let's work. Somebody get a sweet. There we go. There we go.
Okay, go.
You are a blue belt.
I felt really bad about that one. I tried to be conservative after guessing so high for contestant number 1, but it backfired. And that's why you can't really compare my guesses of each person to each other, as I was adjusting my thought process as I went.
I don't know what this is.
This is the Jetsons. It's okay, I'll go right to it too.
Okay.
You are a purple belt.
I started to feel a bit more confident after finally guessing relatively close. I thought, okay, maybe it was just a rough start, and I'm getting the hang of it now, but let me tell you.
Can somebody not get swept today, please? One guy.
You are a blue belt.
I went from feeling bad to feeling awful. In hindsight, blue belt didn't make sense. I mostly just went off of the relatively easy John Wayne sweep. There's more black belts coming up, but first. Now a big thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Elements. If you want to train hard or even just optimize your training, then you need to optimize your recovery. If you're constantly feeling exhausted or cramping up mid-roll, or even just feeling sluggish after just a few rounds, then your progress is going to hit a wall. Most of the time, however, this isn't because you're training too much. It's because you're not replenishing what your body actually needs, which more often than not is electrolytes. And that's where Element comes in. And no, this isn't your typical sugar-filled sports drink. It's a science-backed electrolyte ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, the key minerals your body loses through sweat. Since I started drinking Element, I've been able to train harder, recover faster, and avoid those annoying muscle cramps that used to frustrate me during training. And here's the best part, they're offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single serving packets free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/JordanTeaches. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinkelementT.com/JordanTeaches.
Come on, buddy. Figure it out. This. Come on, James. Let's go, James. Figure it out. You got this. Underhook, Connor. Nice try. Nice try. Come on, you got this. You're almost there. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Good.
You are a blue belt.
To be honest, I was leaning towards white belt, but I wanted to err on the side of caution.
My ankles are really bendy.
Yeah, I watched that video.
My ankles are very bendy. I've rolled them so many times playing soccer that I'm pretty much immune to ankle locks. Not completely immune, but you just had to have a really nasty ankle lock to get me to tap. To my surprise, he goes for a heel hook in the gi, which doesn't bother me, but just surprises me, as it's a submission normally reserved for no gi.
Yeah, get a sweep, please. Please, just one guy, get a sweep.
Got this. Keep going, keep going. Got this. Hang in there. Go, go, go.
You are a white belt.
I was thinking blue belt, but the heel hook in the gi threw me off. It was because of that I thought maybe white belt, just a really good one.
Sweep, please. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. What is that? Come on. Come on, almost!
You are a brown belt. You are a white belt.
For the sake of video length, I had to skip some rounds being shown, although I very much appreciate their participation. This guy coming up is really good. I could feel his level right away, and I'm curious to see what everyone else thinks that his rank is. And I definitely need to get a full round in with him for the channel sometime.
Good.
All right, ready?
You are a brown belt.
Blue belt was a surprise, but then again, many of these guys that have been training and competing since they were kids are absolute killers.
Buddy. Let's go, let's go. Come on, Shane. Go, Shane, guy. You got this. Yeah. Come on.
Please. Please.
30 seconds, 30 seconds. Go. Got this. Almost there, almost there. Almost. 10 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are a purple belt.
I think that size played a factor there. Here I actually know who this person is. I've been rolling with him since I was a blue belt, and I knew he was a black belt.
You are a black belt.
Still waiting on sweet.
There was a sweep.
Not in the last one, but I've seen it.
Watch that bar. Watch out, watch out, watch out. It goes along.
We'll see.
Got it.
Want to do it?
Go.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are a purple belt.
I took another L,
You are a blue belt.
and another one. If one were to draw any conclusions from this experiment, it would simply be that, number one, 1 minute is not enough to accurately guess someone's belt level, and number two, I am horrible at guessing belt rank, like bottom of the barrel.
Sweat. Yeah. It's easy for him to sweep those. Get that sweep. Do something stupid. Okay, okay. Come on, come on. Push, push.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are a purple.
You're winning.
Sorry. I suck at guessing.
You are a blue belt.
This is the last round, and one weird thing that I noticed about this whole experiment is how much seeing people in white belts changes your perspective. Even if they're a much higher rank than the eye sees, it's like the brain automatically thinks that they're worse because of the color of the belt. It's a really weird thing.
Almost. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
You are a blue belt.
It's at this point I'm starting to feel really bad about my guesses. After failing that one, I took a moment to disassociate. The feeling reminded me of the feeling of losing in a tournament. I felt like I had done such a poor job guessing and felt really bad for the people that I guessed too low. I felt like I had failed. I wasn't expecting this to take such an emotional toll on me, but here we are.
All right. Good.
Luckily, there is a nice surprise coming to lift my spirits.
You are a blue belt. You are a blue belt.
Hold on. You think he's a blue belt?
Oh, yeah.
And you think he's a blue belt?
No student here.
Really?
No student here.
Well, then let's actually go cut around.
Alright, the free training camp in Trinidad and Tobago goes to Brandon Gasper.
Yeah! All right, you're forgiven. Redemption.
Sorry about that, I apologize.
Thank you, Jordan, for coming to Combat Jiu-Jitsu. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you, Gavin. Appreciate you having me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.